Hello, I'm Mimi Taylor, and welcome to Included. This is our way of keeping you informed of what God is doing here at RCC.
Tag Ministries will be partnering with Toys for Tots this year. Please text TOYS to 919-756-7933. Again, that number is 919-756-7933 by December 2nd to sign up. Tag and Emerge Ministries would like to wish all those celebrating a birthday in the month of November a happy birthday. May the sun rise and shine bright on your day today. May your wishes come true, and may the northern star glow tonight in remembrance of your day. Happy birthday. Let's warm up those vocal cords and ready ourselves to join Christ Choir. For those who want to join, please see Sister McLam or Minister Alicia James to sign up. Restoration Community Church proudly presents A King is Born. December 15th at 10:30 a.m., 103 Commerce Parkway, Garner. RCC, My Marriage Ministry, and the First Impressions team will be starting small groups in the month of November, and these groups will continue to meet on a monthly basis. There will be fun, food, and fellowship, and much more. Please see a member of either team to ensure that you don't miss out. Please save the date for RCC's Winter White Party on Saturday, January 11th at 6 p.m. This is an open invitation. There will be MFFF, music, food, fun, and fellowship. And of course, be sure to dress in all white. Doors open promptly at 6 p.m. Please stay tuned for more information. For all those celebrating a birthday in the month of November, RCC would like to celebrate you and wish you a very happy birthday. And we wish for you on your birthday, whatever you ask for may you receive, whatever you seek may you find, whatever you wish for may it be fulfilled on your birthday. And always, happy birthday.
Thanks for watching. I'm Mimi Taylor. You're now included.